Welcome to a brand new room tour at New York, New York, Las Vegas. The Las Vegas local. In 2022, New York, New York launched a $63 million remodeling project of 1,830 rooms and 155 suites. The project ended in the summer of 2023. We are over in the Century Tower, floor 27, room 20, New York, New York, Soho 2 Queen. Walk in, you will see some pretty cool decor on the wall. Got mom's scooter right there. To the left is going to be your restroom. It is a single vanity sink. It does have your blow dryer, another mirror, big old mirror right there. It does have your toilet right there, a couple rolls of toilet paper, some spare towels up top. Now I can tell you from personal experience that I used this shower and it was super hot. So it was perfect to shower. I don't really like the tub and shower combo, which it does have, but shower was very hot. And what's cool is now they have body wash, shampoo in this pump bottle now. And then they do have the hand wash and the body lotion in the little pumps now. So that's kind of cool little trait. And then when you come in here, you do have your full-size mirror. Pretty standard in any Las Vegas hotel. And then you're gonna see your 2 queen beds. Not gonna lie, these beds were very uncomfortable. Mine had a dip in the middle. Mom's, I don't know what's going on with mom, but it wasn't that comfortable. It does have your luggage rack right there. This right here I think was supposed to be like a mini fridge. Obviously no mini fridge in there. And then you do have a couple drawers right there. Little mini bar area, big old mirror right there. The TV was nice. Big old TV, lots of channels. A little bench area where you can sit down and put your stuff. And then you're gonna come over here. There's quite a few plugs and USB plugs right there. And you do have a big lamp there. Your phone, pretty standard. 1 trash can. And you come over here, there's limited closet space. So we do have a closet right there with an ironing board, iron, hangers. A couple more drawers there. You do have a safe right here. And then a couple little chairs right here, little table, mom's right there. And then when you come over here, check out this view, guys. I love the view. This is my favorite part of the room. You see the roller coaster right there. To the left, you're gonna see the MGM Grand. Rest in peace to Tropicana out there in the distance. And then you do see OEO far in the distance right there. Not a bad room. It was free through the MyVEGAS app. So if you have MyVEGAS, I do recommend booking this free room. I did mobile check-in. They had my room ready at 12:10. So I didn't pay any extra early check-in fees or anything like that. So it was a pretty good room. MyVEGAS, free comp to room at New York, New York. I definitely recommend. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe. Leave a comment if you stayed at New York, New York. And hit that thumbs up. And we'll see you for the next journey.